morning, guys. I'm about to get on a train to Canada. It's been about 3 or 4 years since I've been in Vancouver due to the coronavirus incident, but I'm headed up there in 4 hours. Last night I made some really nice cabbage rolls, so I'm just cooking one up for brunch today, and I'm gonna have a little cup of tea. These are the cabbage rolls that I made yesterday. They're just covered in leaves. I will put the recipe in the description below. Cabbage is good for you, you guys. So check out my recipe in the description below. These are amazing. You just heat them up in a frying pan with some olive oil and eat them with some sour cream. I moved Alice's pet bird, Talkie, to the hallway so he can see us from every angle of the house, just about. Good morning, Talkie. Good morning, Talkie. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Good morning. Can you say good morning to all the nice friends on YouTube and Rumble? I'm looking forward to being in Canada again.
Today.
Yeah, I overcooked the cabbage just a little bit, but as you can see in there, it's really nice. Rice, hamburger, mushrooms, onion, and garlic. Put a little sour cream on there.
What? No! I didn't put him on there. He just wanted to go up there. Come here. Come here. I think he's trying to groom me or something. Hi. You're a good bird. Are you a good bird?
Get this almond cheese from this recipe from Isabel Page. I got these almonds over here. 5 pounds of raw almonds. Got some nut milk bags. And a lot of extra thick rolled oats for oat milk. Okay, that's the almond cheese with late July organic crackers.
Okay, yeah.
Good,
actually,
huh?
Yeah, it's actually really good.
It's full of B vitamins too. And it tastes really good on eggs.
Wow.
Actually, really good on fried eggs. The yeast.
You have no
Nutritional
idea
yeast.
why I was worried about it. It's actually really good. Mm. Thank you.
Oh, he's coming over to you. Hey, you want the peanut? Here, take the peanut. Matt texted me. I posted it on Snapchat.
like, I want to see what's in your jewelry box.
That's not yours.
It wasn't hurting. It wasn't hurting. You weren't hurting yet, were you? No.
Hey, baby. You want to come over here? It's not paradise for him on the ground.
So the train's on time. It's Amtrak Cascades, and it goes directly up to Vancouver, British Columbia. On the train, on my way to Vancouver, British Columbia. Should be arriving in like 6 hours. It's a beautiful train ride right on the coast of Washington up to Vancouver, British Columbia. A very smooth ride, very beautiful scenery. I recommend this trip to anyone. It takes about 6 hours to get up to Canada from the Seattle area. Hi guys, I just arrived in Vancouver and it's almost midnight. So I'm whispering so I don't wake everybody up. Just give you a little quick look at where I'm staying. This is the apartment in downtown Vancouver, British Columbia. And my daughter and her husband and 2 children live here. I'm just having a little midnight snack before I go to bed. The next day.
Take a break. Take a break. You have that one all. This is just chocolate things that take a little break. We're going to take a little break to go have to put some berries. We'll have some raspberries. Go sit at the table. Go sit at the table. Okay, I'll get you.
Happy Easter! We've got a rainy weekend, which is normal in this part of the country. The crazy streets in the city. We're at the Lulu Island Winery.
Yeah.
We have arrived.
I don't think this is the Easter.
Yeah, this is the Easter place. Let's go inside.
Searching for the egg hunt.
I can see a car out there.
Easter party in here once a year, and the children can do an egg hunt.
Outside, that one's name is Jackson, and the other one in there is Ginger.
There's bunny food.
You want to wait until after the egg hunt? You want to go right now? Okay, so when about actually touching live animals. Are you okay with that?
Now we're going to Tugboat Annie's or Lupper. So we're at a cute little restaurant called Tugboat Annie's, and it's Easter Sunday.